Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you the switch controls in Vola S1 Air, the performance of the vehicle. So now we are running with a speed of minimum 20 kilometers per hour, and we had reached to a speed of 20, and now I am increasing the acceleration. Okay, so now we can see the brake control. So you can see, okay, so this is nothing but Vola S1 Air. Those who are new to this vehicle, let us have a small introduction about this switch control. So here you can see here the 7-inch TFT display, it is showing in parking mode. Okay, so now this is the default theme what we are going to have. Okay, so here you can see here this is nothing but left indicator. If you turn on the left indicator, it will make a sound and it is showing in green color. Left indicator has been turned on. So if you press it again, automatically it will turn off. Okay, so right indicator, if you turn on, it will show that this is in the right side. The green color button will be glowing, and you can see the lights which are blinking in yellow color. Okay, so like this you can see both the lights are blinking right or left, which gives an good ambience for the person those who are viewing from outside. So now we can see the front lamp. Okay, so here you have the lamp switch. So when you press this lamp switch, okay, so this is single tap, you'll have one lamp. With double tap, you have two lamps, and this is nothing but shutdown. Now you see here I applied the switch control of one lamp. Now the lamp is glowing. So again I pressed it, two lamps are glowing, and third time automatically both will be in off condition. Okay, and this is the horn sound. Okay, you can see the quality of horn how we have in IC engine. Okay, so the next switch control is nothing but horn. So by using this horn we can make the required sound. Okay, so this is nothing but uh, trunk. Okay, so now the trunk is closed. When you have an touch control, just click it, automatically to show that trunk is open. So that then automatically the trunk gets open. If you want to close it, just hold it and apply the pressure, automatically the trunk symbol is shown as closed. This is how to open the switch controls. Next, coming to this is the start button, and this is nothing but mode changing button. I will show you while starting driving. So this is nothing but volume rockers to increase the volume or to decrease the volume. Okay, and this is nothing but a start and play off sound. Okay, now let us try to see the test drive how to start this Voila S1 Air. Okay, first you have to remove the stand. So as soon as you remove the stand, here you can see here the display, the stand is in on condition. This corner you can see here connected to Bluetooth, connected to Wi-Fi, and the stand is in on condition. Okay, so now how to remove it? First remove the stand. Okay, so as soon as you remove the stand, automatically that icon will go off. Okay, so now this is how we have the vehicle. How to start the vehicle is, this is nothing but at the left side we have an brake. Just hold the brake and press tap on the, this is nothing but power button. Tap on the power button, automatically the vehicle comes to an UI, okay, indicating that the vehicle is out of parking mode and it is in driving mode. Okay, so in this driving mode only, here we have the different modes of operation. Okay, press this mode, it will show that sports mode. Press this mode, it comes to normal mode. Okay, and the state of charge of the battery is 80%. So from now it can travel approximately 80 kilometers. Okay, that is all about the switch controls. So I will give a short review of the switch control. So now how to start the vehicle, you see here, if you want to go back, here you have one more option which is nothing but reverse. Okay, so press this reverse like this, and you have to throttle back. Okay, so when you throttle in reverse, you can see here the vehicle goes back. Okay, and if you want to remove the throttle, just click on reverse, it will comes to driving mode. Okay, so just driving is just remove the brake. So you should not hold the brake, remove the brake and just accelerate it. Okay, so when you accelerate it, the vehicle starts moving. Okay, now I will make a drive, and you can see this, the motor rating is 4.5, and if you want to go back, just you have to hold this brake, otherwise it doesn't goes back. Okay, so then only it can easily go back. And now I'm trying to drive in driving mode. Okay, so see here, this is a 4.5 kilowatt motor, and it has a good torque and speed and power. It is able to run with the given speed. Okay, so we can have a good experience in this electric vehicle. So the speed, power and torque control is very goodly designed, and you can have a lot of high speed and power torque which is available similar to that of an IC engine also. So you can see the brakes also, how quickly you are able to apply. So I will show you the behavior of drum brake. Okay, so now we had came, we want to go back. Okay, then we have to go for reverse, and automatically it will give a sound. Just throttle it to the front direction, it can go back. Okay, and again now we have to go forward, remove the reverse, and you can go forward. Now let's try to check the performance of the vehicle. So now we are running with a speed of minimum 20 kilometers per hour, and we had reached to a speed of 20, and now I am increasing the acceleration. Okay, so now we can see the brake control. So you can see here how suddenly it is able to come to 0 speed. Okay, so this is all about the powerful motor 4.5, and switch controls. We had made one more video, you can see in this, and touch control as well as switch control. We had made an video about the display and switch control, how to start. Okay, so these are the different types of mode. Till now we had driven in normal mode. So now let us try to experience in sports mode. Okay, so this is all about the test drive. Now we will try to have a small test drive on this vehicle. Thank you for watching. We will meet in another video.